Staring at charts.
Okay. Well, while y'all are staring, I'm in a long end queue.
Nice. This might actually be a
Oh,
decent
it's
spot to leave shorting it.
just short, yeah. On the yes, I'm looking at that. I just thinking Q's got 750, 755. Come on. I won't give it a lot of room here. If this thing breaks here, I'm gonna go flat. I think you're getting the short here. I'm going to pass on it, but I think you're getting a short on it.
Yeah, I think I missed it there.
Probably should have stayed in that trade.
On the long?
Yeah, it's.
Probably.
I think it's going up there. So I think this is just a little pullback.
All right. See if I can get a trade in now. Distracted with technology stuff. All right. Man, that little gold long. I was looking at that too. I should pull the trigger on the MGC long.
I think you're going to get a gold short though here.
Trying to think about the long on the ES or the NQ as well, but that's just the smaller tick chart's ugly. It's long, but pick a spot to get in. I don't know where.
I shouldn't have killed that trade. That was not bright on my part. Did help from a target. Okay. All right. I think we're getting close to a short now. What do you think? Both TS and NQ seem to be double top there. Time is it? 9:42. Here comes my freaking 750. I shouldn't have killed that trade. That short on on GC. I missed that. I said,
I'm talking on mute. It's like, what did you just say? I was like, well,
I
uh,
said earlier there was a short setting up on GC, but
yeah, I did too. I was on mute. I did an MGC short and got a target off, and it came back, took my stop, and then it kept going that direction. But I was talking on mute, so nobody heard me say that. It's like it never happened.
I think we're in the area now where we can start looking for shorts. I think on NQ and ES. I
It
think
never happened. Oh, oh well.
got all that move up. We never even got overbought. So
Oh well. I mean, there's a long happening on the RTY. It's not quite where I want it, but still long. I don't.
uh,
I don't want to take the longs up here, but this chart
yeah,
still says take long, right?
it does say it's an entry now. I
It
mean, if you're
says.
going to take it, you got to get in now.
I know. I just.
It's
I can't.
not pretty.
I can't pull myself to do that up here.
There comes
All
the
the way up to the
freaking
top.
750. We'll get it.
That's a tough one. Yeah, we'll get a trade.
We'll get it.
It'll be a nice little short that sets up here in a little bit. I think we look for the. I was gonna say we let the RTY get a little bit lower and look for the long on it, but it didn't look like it wants to push down a little bit further. I'll take the MGC long too if it gets down here to around like what 60
Yeah,
ish
yeah.
down to the 89. Looks like it's trying to right now. I'm gonna keep my eye on the 6E. I think I would try a short on that a little bit higher. Oh yeah, if it got up here to around this 89. Same for that on 6E. Try that as well. Man, RTY long. Should have looked at that one. I did say something. I wanted to go a little bit lower, but it just didn't do it. Nothing is.
I'm going to be patient. Got that little bitty long. I'll just. I I think we're getting close to ES and NQ here.
Um, they do look they're slowing down a little bit, huh?
Uh huh.
I mean, this is about the area I was looking at on the ES. Let's see here on the
It is.
NQ.
It is the area. I got an area here blocked off. So
I think the NQ to go a
I
little bit
mean, if it
higher. I
breaks
think.
through here though, breaks through. Well, NQ's getting. I told you, NQ's got that 750 in it. I should have not killed my trade. That was just dumb. But whatever. Still a decent little trade.
This is not. It's just a hard setup to get into on the ES here, but that I mean that would be below that low there at 72, 671, 75 would be a entry if you really wanted to have a entry in on this.
Ah, doesn't look like it's done yet. Nope. That's it for me. It broke outside of my area. We are not shorting this thing.
Man,
Not
all right.
now. I need it. Now I want it all the way up around 90. Another good area, I think. I don't. We just wait. Let's look at something else. Get my mind off of that. CL had a nice short, but just didn't set up right.
Yeah, no, that was a hard setup on the CL. That was when it starts chopping up or down like that. I try to stay away from it. I don't want to when I can't pick the good entry. I don't take it. That's a hard. There's not really a good entry on that. Both sides, up or down.
Mm.
Yeah, that's. I mean, on smaller tick chart, that looks like garbage for CL. Where's your long? That's a tough one. And your short. That was hard too. If you'd had to take it like I guess right there, still would have came back and probably got your stop somewhere along the way. That was a tough one.
Well, we just wait.
Patience. No, you telling me I have to be patient as a trader? Ugh,
Patience, grasshopper.
I don't want to be patient as a
What?
trader.
We can't push buttons? You can.
Tom moves to Tom. Well, you got another Tom to deal with now, Tom. The battle of the Toms.
Leave the Tom booze to Tom. I know, man. I pulled the Tom. That's what I did. I pulled the Tom this morning. I choked my trade out. Yeah, Dave. That's all we can do right now is just sit on our hands.
Possibly look at this MGC long or GC long as it comes out here if it starts to make. Uh, possible 60 short if it starts to come out. CL maybe you want to look at that as a long, but I don't think that's not really fitting in my plan. Super. I mean, it's there. I just don't think I want to take that CL long right now. It's not clean enough for me. Although I would look at this on the MGC if it sets up a nice little W double bottom, something like that. What do you think, Paul?
Uh,
If it sets up right,
it would be the
I like
second
the
time down
6C. I
there.
want it to be a little bit higher, but
Really wanted at least a
trying to set up.
50% retracement of that drop from Friday, but I don't think we're going to get it on. Let's see what GC does.
I mean, it's trying to set up for the long here above this little wick.
Yeah.
I might try that on
Yeah.
the MGC.
What is that? The 89 right there?
Two two mile
Yeah.
contracts.
Yeah. It might be worth a shot. Go
There we
for it.
go.
Oh, I think I missed it.
Trying to set up.
Darn, there's my target on NQ. You
Oh
little.
man. Oh man. Should have
Oh
just pressed
well.
the long button on the ES and NQ, like you
Yep.
said. That's a little bit of a miss, I guess.
Oh, this GC. I think you'll get your target. You'll get your first target at
Oh, yep.
least.
Target's off.
Yeah.
There.
I'll
Looks like
get more than that though. It looks like it wants to come back.
it's playing games. Yep. That one's gonna bite me. Yep, that one got me. Got me. Switch out of that. Okay. I'll lay off GC for a minute.
Almost got to lay off
This
everything
is
right
still,
now.
I mean, the
Just
GC's still long. I mean,
it's setting. Let's try to set up, but you'd have to hold it with some more.
it'd be above this midpoint now, right here at
Yeah.
70, so 70.1. I mean, that still says it's a long.
Oversold stochastics, getting a hook. You got some.
Good
Yeah.
stuff here. This is what I
Oof.
wanted to trade from earlier. It's just a bigger trade, but
That's
big
just it. It's a bigger
big
trade.
moves from here though. That's I mean should be an area where it would take a long from. I mean, this is definitely a level. Oh, somewhere right in here. It's definitely a level. Horizontal line. Somewhere in there's definitely a level. Okay. NQ ES setting up short, yes or no? A little bigger one though. Or do we just
I
wait for
wanted it a
pullback?
little bit higher, but
Well, this is a level I have on the NQ that's pretty strong. Um, yeah, you're
look at
right
the
though.
look at the 15-minute chart though. Straight up. Nothing's telling you that's gonna
I,
broke that. I don't know. I mean, I don't have
well, I mean
anything
that's
right here.
it's a short, but here's the way I look at this. I think maybe we wait for the pullback for the long.
That's what I want. I want it to come back down. Give me a nice clean setup to go long. I'm willing to wait for that. In the meantime, we'll just shoot shit. Today Groundhog Day? Is it? No.
Every day's Groundhog Day for me, buddy.
That's right.
Oh, doesn't look like it. Looks like gold wants to go down further.
Yeah, I agree, Dave. I agree completely.
Yeah, up on.
NQ, neither NQ nor ES are telling me short right now.
I'm on that wick
I
chart
gotta
as
see.
well. Don't
I
give
gotta
me
see
wicks.
something. I mean,
Get,
them straight up since the open.
yeah. Gotta have the wicks on my side
And
of the trade now. I got bid on that GC on that one,
yeah, GC is
or MGC
not
got me.
not doing what I wanted it to do either. So we'll wait.
Still a short setup on the NQ. I just don't want it. I want the long. Stochastics look like crap too.
Yeah,
NQ's
this just none of this looks good. I mean, we're just
RTY's got me
forcing it.
around. Yeah, we should have just grabbed that long earlier, but I mean, come on. It was not a perfect setup really. I mean, your long was the best.
Well, you had the breakout, yeah, the
Well,
breakout
that's what I'm
long
saying. Your long was the
of
best
overnight high.
idea
Yeah,
that there was. I just was too distracted to take that
like a
trade at that point.
dummy, I pulled a freaking Tom on it.
I'm still interested in the 6E.
No offense to Tom. Well,
He's the one that
maybe
said
some
it.
offense. Maybe some offense.
He's the one
Just
that
a
said
little.
it, man. Somewhere up here in 6E, like this little consolidation area works well with this area from before. So
Yeah, I like that actually. I actually like
somewhere
that. Where are we at?
there
How
on
far away are we from
6E,
there?
yeah.
What is that? What number? What was that? So I can mark that
It's right around. I mean, anywhere from like
little area
690
zone. Right?
up to 735 if the setup happens.
735. All right, I'll put that there. Just see if it
Somewhere
gets up there.
somewhere around there, like even like a little bit lower, maybe even 680, but it needs to go a little higher. Yeah, 690 is a real number.
All right, now we might be starting to see
So somewhere around
an
there.
NQ rejection here, but I still think we're a few minutes away from anything you. Well, come on down.
Well, look at the yes get down here, where it came from a minute ago. We get a decent little long on that. Anywhere down here. I mean, it is on the lower tick chart setting up for the long now. I think I want a bigger tick chart set up though. Yeah, wait for the bigger tick chart set up for the long. We're going to get it here in a minute, which means the 6E is going to come before the level I wanted at, but that's fine. I'll just pass on it. Still interested in GC or MGC, if you will. If it sets up right.
Yeah, it's got to get lower though.
I want the wicks on my side.
Just give it a little bit low. Yeah, let it get a little lower. Getting a setup on freaking. you could. I know it's all. Yeah, they're coming down now. Let's
Well,
see.
this is supposed to be where it's. Ugh. It's. Do we even try that? I think I need a little bit more structure.
Yeah.
I mean, there is a little bit of a long coming. Like right now, it'd be really cool if this candle had stayed down here on the ES. Give me a chance to get in it. Um, the Q is setting up a little bit better. If it breaks that, I'll break it back above the pivot. Might look at a. There you go.
There's the long.
That happened really fast. That was
Man, that
six
was
hundred
quick.
dollars out of the blue. Wow.
Yeah. Was that news that we
Wow.
go to war with Iran? What happened?
That was $600 like instantly. What was that? Did we have 10 o'clock news? My bad.
Oh, was it 10 already? Oh, yeah, we did. We had 10 o'clock news. Okay.
Oh wow. Okay. Look at that. Look at that. That was a little fast. Gotta watch that news. So you said news not doing anything these days.
Yeah. No, it's starting to get a little bit better.
It's still a setup on the long side. Not using that account though.
Not a pretty one, though. With that spike.
600 and move on. Okay. Minus the news there. Still kind of setting up for long. There's my 6E short that just came out of nowhere on the news too. Like I said, that was the long, but if you took the news candles out of it, you had a pretty clean long.
Yeah.
Well, poop. I'm just gonna pass on everything this morning, huh?
Pretty much. I mean, just gotta be patient. We'll get something clean. In
Like
fact,
the RTY long that I wanted. That was the one I was looking for. I was
you
sitting over here looking at.
that one came down and set up cleaner.
Yeah,
Didn't look when you were talking about it though. It wasn't clean.
no.
uh,
I mean,
yeah, I
again,
totally
GC
missed that
setting up for the
news.
long, but it's not clean.
Nope.
Should have just
Nope.
put my sell stop in on 6E. I knew that was gonna be a short, even with the news. All right, let's figure out what the do we look at a long on the breakout there, Paul?
Oh, what do we
What is
got?
it?
10
The only
o'clock.
thing I'm
It is a
looking at
Crable
is
break.
We're
It's a
not
Grable break.
far away. Like you said earlier, what was it? When you say 950 earlier?
90. Yeah, 950. No, 990 is where I have a.
Okay, I mean that's close to that's a little pretty good area of resistance there.
But that would allow you to do the breakout.
You'd have to be above that.
I mean, you're getting to the Crable high. What is the Crable high? 85.50.
Well, yeah, this would be a Crable, wouldn't it?
Those of you that want to take that, I
How much
just
at it?
don't. I mean,
There's a high on
uh,
the ES. There's a high on the ES. Will break.
I mean, you're gonna get it. I mean, I am saying 90, so that is roughly a 5 point room there. It would be a scalp, but it's just not going up with any real
Yeah, 86.
force.
Let's see, 86.50. So 86.75 would be the Crable on the ES.
86. Yeah, right.
86.75.
86, somewhere around there. Yes.
86.75. Um, I like that little.
Well, I got 86 and a quarter. I don't know. Yeah, 80, 86.75. Yeah,
Do we look at a
86.75.
Crable? Do we look at
Yeah,
a
let's
Crable?
try it. 86.75. Go
Oh,
for it. Go for it. Come on, push you little. There we
there we
go.
go.
Boom.
Target off.
Target off.
There you go.
Had to be quick.
See where, see where
I told you. I told you had nine. As I said 990, right? Which look where it got to. So,
Yep. No, that was. What did you do
oh,
exactly? 88.75, and then 89.25.
interesting Monday.
All right. There you go.
Not
Um,
going to give this a whole lot of room, but your chart's on. Yeah, your chart's on.
what's that?
Oh, I
Oh,
didn't. Wasn't sure.
just gotta switch to the account that I'm
Oh,
actually
you're
looking at this.
wrong.
What'd you say?
I said I'm not giving this a ton of room.
Oh, I'm giving it no room. Are you kidding?
Yeah, lock in that
I'm
scalp
trying
at
to figure out
least.
where the target could be.
Because
So
now right here is my area where I would start looking for the shorts. But this doesn't. I mean, who knows?
yeah,
This
if it,
maybe
I
we just
mean,
one of those. We
again,
just creep
I think this is a good
creep
target
long in.
here. If it busts through where we're at right now, we got this target, so I'm gonna hold that where it's at.
I mean, the top of my area is big, so above 7,000, above R1 up there. So
I wish I'd taken down on
this,
the NQ now too.
yeah, it
Oh
didn't look
well.
as good on the NQ. Ah, I mean, at least not on my chart, doesn't.
And do we want to shoot for a little higher on the ES?
I mean, I'm going to move my. I have a target of
Go 87.75
7
or
0250.
you're at 0250 is your target?
Oh, 0250 is where I have the top of that area, that zone I'm telling you about, from 90 to 250. 92 to
On the
90 to
ES.
250 is on the ES, yeah. So I mean, I'm not saying it's going to get up there, but I'm saying
Got another tick down.
realistically, that could be a good area to shoot for.
Yeah, I mean, the daily says there's definitely room.
So I don't know. We'll see.
The high there is 7,
Good
8.
trade either way. Doesn't matter.
Yeah. I mean, yeah, I guess technically this is still kind of like an
So
intraday, right?
uh, ugly Monday trading, man. Woo.
Oh, well, we got to trade.
Poor people.
27.
All the new people be like, what? We do trade more than this
Is it?
and much cleaner
Well,
than this. It's
conservative.
a Monday morning.
I'm gonna be conservative. Are you kidding?
Give me a second. I'll be right back.
All right, I'm gonna go tick up on the stop here. Couple ticks up on the stop. 89. The low is 89.50, so probably 89.25 is a better stop. And let's just leave it there and see if it gets our target or takes us out. Maybe we'll get a target on this. I had my target a little bit lower, but um, like I was targeting here, which would be still be a good trade though, wouldn't it? It'd be a really good trade. I think I like this target better right now. That target's a better target for me. If it hits that, we'll be good. Be a good trade, good target. I'll be happy with that either way it rolls now. All right, let's see. Yeah, I should have done that Crable on the NQ as well. I mean, even the Crable on the RTY worked. That was the long I wanted on RTY. That was it. Still wanted to figure out a way to get into the MGC long, but it's just not. It's not doing anything. Not doing anything nice to try to help you get into it. CL, stick away from that for a little bit. If I get a decent swing one way or the other on CL, I'll look at that. Well, the RTY long
All
looks like
right.
the way to go.
Yeah, RTY long looked like it worked. Your 6E short didn't.
Well, you
Yeah.
had to have the sell stop ready to go for that. That news just kind of went down and took everything right away, and now it's just chopping around, chopping around. I'm doing a little bit less
Chop
of a target on
around.
that 02 area you're talking about. I'm gonna do 98. Not sorry, 96.25.
I mean, I think if it breaks out of this little area right here, I think you'll be all right. But if it
The only
doesn't,
thing
I
I'm looking
agree.
at is this stuff back here. You got some pretty good stuff back around like 97, 98. So
Okay. I get on board with that. I
I like that
again
target.
didn't
I
really
mean,
think
look,
it's going to get to O2.
if it takes that target, I'm a happy person. That's the
Yeah,
way I
it's a
feel
pretty
about it.
good trade for this crappy morning.
If it
For
hits
this,
this target, that'll be a great trade for me. I'll be happy with that. Looks like it's trying to, doesn't it?
I, again, if it
Now you're gonna
breaks,
tell
which it's
talk
about
me
to
into a
do.
more aggressive target.
I mean, no, I
You
don't.
know I
Don't
can be
change your
talk.
target for me.
You
Do
know
not
I can be
change your
talked
target
into
for
aggressive
me.
targets. I'm fine with that.
I know it is.
you
You let that sucker run forever.
you don't have to like
Uh,
give me any thought. Let's do 97 even. Let's see if that gets 97 even. Stop at 90 right now. I don't know where else to put it.
what happened? The CME The CME implemented new restrictions on market data across certain countries.
What? Got to be
Believe,
October
wow, look at
6th
all
to be
these
able to
countries.
stop. Oh, probably under that last couple of wicks there. That's the only thing I can think of right now. Maybe it'll get my target. Yeah, it was ISM manufacturing. So used to the news not doing anything these days. I'm really kicking myself on the RTY long. Man, it set up perfect on the small tick chart too. Look at this. It was just like,
Ah, but you're in a sweet trade on the ES, man. That's
yeah.
not bad. Listen, for the type of morning it's been, that's a good trade.
Well, the only
We
reason I'm
nailed
kicking
that.
myself on the RTY is I specifically said, hey, let's keep an eye on the RTY this morning for that swing, and I just looked away and didn't get it.
I'm telling you, I'm gonna keep my target up there. You're gonna get your target here in a second. You just
Boom,
got yours. Boom. Nice. I will just tighten up my stop a little bit.
boom.
Oh, you're gonna make me take my. I don't know that I want to give any of this back.
Look,
Done
right
like a
there,
nice little
right
what
here.
$500 trade.
Yeah, I'll take my $500 trade.
Yeah, that's not doesn't suck.
It's not a bad morning. Not a bad morning. I got two winners and one gold loser. Big fat loser on gold.
You're a big fat loser.
Man, that RTY trade. Dang. Look at this. You got the O2. This is where the short's setting up. Not gonna take that short though.
Uh,
What did you say?
I said
Nine
02. So
on NQ,
NQ
like 900, 920,
9.
919, or
No,
190.
940.
Oh, really?
I mean, the top of my area is 940, but 900 is probably gonna,
All right. I'm gonna look at that. Maybe look at peeking my toe into a short there. I'd like to try to get a little.
I got nothing, man. Absolutely nothing.
I mean, if you want to look at the counter long or counter short, there's something, but I'm more inclined to look at the longs on these
Yeah.
indices here.
Maybe CL long if it comes down here. What do you think?
Hey, I'll be right back, Paul.
Huh? No rush. You're not missing anything. Is anybody in anything? Anybody in here in anything? He's gonna get my O2 up there on ES. Come on, push it up there. I'm out of the trade, but wow. There you go. Should have held my trade. Wait, I said that earlier, didn't I? It's like a repeating pattern today. Should have held my trades.
Okay, I'm back.
Look, should have held my trade.
Yep.
I got my,
Yep.
I got it.
Oh, you got your target.
Yeah, I know I didn't get it. I got out with you,
Oh.
but
Oh.
but
Battle of the targets, huh?
yeah, I should have
Battle of
held
the
the target.
targets. Eh, it's
That's
all right.
that's twice I've done that this today.
But here's the deal. You didn't get any pushback on your drawdown, so you're all
No,
MPAs though.
no. Yeah, these are all
I
PAs. I don't my.
this is
I, well,
that.
I mean, I could trade this. I got the one eval left. I ended up. I didn't quite get to 1,000 last night. I got to 859.60. That was my last
Ah,
trade.
look at that.
I know. Well, I started thinking about what you said, and I was like, no, I'm gonna end up trying to push this thing to 1,000 and giving all this money back.
Yeah, no, I was like, no, don't do
So I
that.
said, yeah, I'm
Take
gonna
your money
walk
and run,
away.
bro. Take your money and
Not
run.
bad at $859 a night for
MGC.
just MGC. Mike, two micros max.
I've got to look at the volume difference on the MGC and GC. I think they're pretty close there.
I think they're pretty close. I don't know, cause see, I look at the. I'm trading off the GC
Yeah. No, I have my MGC
with
chart
Joel's
over here
trader.
on
I
the
just trade
side.
micro.
MGC chart on the side here, just ready to take the trade when it comes up. Man, that RTY trade, I called it out. I said I wanted it and everything, and just whiffed on it
Yeah,
like a turkey, like a turkey. Here's a short coming, but it's the counter one, and I think we probably
I'm not shorting this.
no. I'm waiting for the long. Okay. Um,
I'm gonna have to go take care of that here in a little bit. Actually, now might be a good time to go do with that because I don't think we're gonna be taking any trades anytime soon.
No, no, I'm not taking the long on the 6E. That's for sure. Can't touch GC the way it is. Can't touch CL the way it is. Need the
Can't touch
pullback
this.
on the
Ooh.
ES, NQ, and RTY to buy it. So, if you got nurse Paul duties, probably do it now. I guess then, huh?
Yeah, might as well just get it out of the way
Yeah,
because again, I don't. Well, let's see if this thing pulls
I
back
mean,
any on.
we may have gotten our couple trades in. That might be it.
Yeah, that might be the morning for us. Just
I
doesn't seem real exciting.
We'll stick around till about. Um, I mean, I've got an early day. I've got a well, not really. I can do this afternoon. I just have I have to be gone for a little while.
That's fine. Tomorrow afternoon you won't be around though, right?
No, there's a hard pass tomorrow. Haven't figured out the whole trading on an airplane thing yet.
That would be crazy. Hey, you
Having
got
a big
Wi-Fi.
laptop, set up all your
Got
monitors.
Wi-Fi. Pull your laptop, pull your monitors out. Have the guy next to you put his trays down so you can have your side monitors up. You gotta get a middle seat though.
Buy all three seats just so you can trade on the plane. At that point, you got to be
PBR
first class.
TU. What's TU? Thank you. Is that what that is?
Tough up.
Tough to you.
Tim Undertow. Thomas Almerton.
Heel umbrella.
The Umbrella.
The umbrella. There we go. PBR. What's up, man? What's TU mean?
Thank you, I
Thank
think.
you.
I'm pretty
I
sure it
think
means
it's a thank you.
thank you. I don't know
What's
what
he
for,
thanking us
though.
for?
Probably the,
What the
the
heck you
ES
think?
long, maybe? I don't know.
Oh, did you get that ES long PBR? What about Dave? Dave, did you catch that long?
R2Y long. Oh, you got the
Oh, you
R2Y
got the
long.
R2Y long?
Nice.
Nice. That was
That was
actually
the one.
Brian. I didn't call
Hey,
that.
somebody listened to me, so at least somebody got the trade. At
All
least
right. Well,
somebody got the
that's
trade.
a nice little green trade.
So that they
You're
both
liking that
nice.
RTY, aren't you, PBR? I think it's.
R2Y is a good trade, and I like it. I'm a fan of R2Y when it sets up like this. That's a good one.
Anybody catch? I see. We've only done two trades: that breakout NQ and the ES. Did anybody
I
get
did take that.
any of
I
those?
did take that
Oh, that
NQ,
GC. Yeah,
yeah, and the GC.
that
So,
GC. Yeah,
um,
GC was a small loser.
yeah, small loser. He's a loser, small little loser.
Oh,
Loser.
cool. Nice. Okay.
Samuel L. Jackson trades on a plane. Start.
Trades on a plane. I love it. Uh,
Well, might as well throw the snakes in there too and just make it interesting. Jeez.
okay, short NQ.
You let
He
it pass
says,
the pivot.
why?
That's not bad. I mean, you're only a couple ticks away from the pivot anyway there, so that's a little momentum trade there, PBR. That's not bad. All right, we're getting a pullback.
Yeah,
Let's see where this goes.
that's why I said short MQ if you want to scalp
I
because it's going to come
yeah,
down.
we've been screaming the short for a minute, but I'm not doing it.
Hmm.
I am not doing it. Not gonna do it. Screaming on those shorts for a minute there. Do, 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 do. Um, well, you got targets off and everything if anybody took the shorts, but I'm still waiting for the long here. And I think I'm going to switch this account to a different one.
Crap. We missed that. GC
Uh,
breakdown on a smaller chart.
oh, the short. I was going
Yeah,
long for it the whole time, so I didn't.
I don't think this is.
The ES is getting down here and setting up for the long. I'm tempted to take this NQ long with it. What do you think?
Uh,
And a smaller tick chart setting up for a decent little GC long. It looks like, even though it keeps coming down. But this is a level down here on GC.
you're right at the VWAP too. So yeah, GC
Might bounce from here, huh?
could possibly, yes. If it doesn't make a lower low, if this candle sets up close above that 081,
We got 100 ticks left, so maybe 170 ticks left. Maybe this does set up here. See. Um, nope.
nope,
Never mind.
never mind. Never
Pass.
mind.
Hard pass on
That
the longs for the GC now. Hard pass. Hard
yeah.
pass. I'm still interested in this ES long possibly, but I don't like the way it's playing along here. Too many candles now. If this guy can push a little bit here, no, it's not going to do it, is it? Mm-mm.
I don't think
That's
so.
not. Yeah, that's it. Pushed a little too low here. This last little wick down. So now I need to go to the next level before I take the trade. Get back down. I mean, it'd be fancy if it got down to that level I already have there and the 89 and set up for a decent little trade. I like this little level here where the 89's at. So I I would take a look at that, but since this was a failed long, I'm not gonna jump in it again.
See what happens here.
I still can't pull myself to pull the trigger on the long with it the way it looks right now. Let me look at GC. Where should I go before we look at that long? Yeah, now it's got to go all the way back down to 45, somewhere
Eh,
around 45. It's got to get down to now before I even look at it again.
Yeah, we got nothing here. There's not much you can do here. Nothing you can
I
do
mean, like I
anywhere.
said, there was long setup on the ES and Q, but it's not one that I could look at. I mean, you just for me and my rules, you'd just be in above this wick. That's a little bit bigger risk that I wanted to look at. Even a smaller tick chart on the ES here didn't really give. And you had a little bit of a W, but again, you still have to go in at the midpoint there, and that's a little bit more risk than I want to take on that. Hold on. Okay. Well, it was a very eventful morning.
Oh, there goes the gold.
I mean, that long would be making money. It's just not in my trade plan.
Mm-hmm.
Not what I want to do. No, I don't think it's in our trade plan, is it?
No, no, no.
Nope. Um,
Boarding silver. That's crazy, PBR. That is crazy.
this is junk.
Yep. Complete crap.
Couple good trades to be had. You had to grab them this morning. You had to grab the trades that you got and move on and be done with it. If you
Yep.
miss them, you don't chase on this crap. This might actually. All right. Well, how about this? Hang out to 11, take a break, and then you do your thing and come back for a little bit and see if we get a
If it
trade.
doesn't change,
If it doesn't change,
that's it.
we
That's all
come
she
back.
wrote.
We come back in the afternoon. If it doesn't change, then we're done.
Yep. Totally agree with that.
I mean, if you can figure out a way to get in the slow creep up, that's the trade. At least on at least on the top three.
You could,
Um,
if you want to do that, you could buy it right now. Right?
yeah, and put a micro
But
on,
your
but
real stop's got to be way down there.
way back.
No stop. Put a micro with no stop on it. It just doesn't look
And 60
sexy.
might actually be breaking down. This is back down here where I got all these good trades on 60 too. I'll keep my eye on that. I don't know. Trying to think of something we can look at here, but I think we're probably better off
Ah,
telling jokes.
yeah, I don't.
Okay.
Like I said, well, if you took that, if you got in up there when you could have pushed that buy button, you'd be in the money. It's going to keep creeping up. It's not my kind of. This is not my kind of market, so I'll sit it out.
Oh, did you hear about the people that got stabbed with this person was stabbing people with knitting needles? Like 6 people.
No,
There seems to be some kind of pattern to it.
dad joke.
Hey, the crate will work today.
Crable did work today. Both of them.
Yeah, somebody jump off the stream after that joke. They're like, nope, nope,
Probably.
nope, I'm done.
All these poor new people came in expecting to see this. exciting day, and you're getting pretty boring day. But that's the
I
market
mean,
for you.
I'm not gonna.
We don't control the
I'm gonna
market.
trade what I trade the way I trade, and it makes me money. That's all I
Sometimes that
care
means you
about.
don't trade.
Yeah, I mean,
Hmm.
sometimes part of being a good
I mean,
trader is
all in all, what 501 trade, and I
600
got
on another, and
390 in the other NQ trade, and
yep,
I mean, plus my 859 overnight. I'm
yeah, not a
not
bad day.
complaining.
No, it's just got a
No,
small loss on
if I
MGC
don't trade
and
the rest of the day, I'm just fine. I don't have much of a problem.
a few good trades. Few good trades. That's all you need. We'll catch some trades before the day's over.
Yeah.
I mean, I'm tempted to say let's just take a break now and come back at like what 11:30, 11:40.
Yeah, let's do that because I got to do that anyway. So let's just go ahead and do that. Let's
All
just
right,
come
let's take
back
a
at
break.
11:30.
Let's take a break. There's no point in sitting here for 30 minutes waiting on a trade.
Yep.
Let's just come back in 30, 40 minutes and get a trade then.
Sounds like a plan. Take a break.
All right,
I'll be back.
let's do that.